All right, we are live, boss up, baby. And we back with another gig app. Man, holiday season, it's time to get to the money. I'm gonna bring you guys the best gig apps today, and exclusively a gig app that no one on YouTube is talking about. It's in a lot of major cities right now. It is very similar to another popular gig app out there. I'm gonna mention that one as well. Help you guys figure out which one is better, which one is fit for you. And guess what? For this one, you don't even need a vehicle to make money, but you still need an L to drive. So think about it, what that is, and let's get into it, man. And without further ado, no long talk, no long intro. Let's get into the top app that works out for you guys. It is, drum roll, Kyte. This new gig app called Kyte. What you're doing is partnering with rental car companies to move a rental car from one place to the other. Now you may be thinking, that sounds very similar to another gig app. Yes, no doubt. It is very similar to a gig app called Driver. Driver, D-R-A-V-E-R. I'll go ahead and pull that one up. Now, I usually put a link to all these apps on websites in the description. No longer doing that. These not a promotes. I'm not getting paid by these. So only companies I'm getting paid by, I'm really going to start promoting. You know, if they have like an affiliate link, I may do that. But like I said, you see the name, and you know, if you can zoom in, you can see the URL right at the top. So I'm not going to talk y'all to death on that, but let's get into the money, how you can make money with this company, Kyte. So pretty much, like I said, you send a kite, you need a car rental at one place, the company needs a car rental, so you go ahead and pick it up and do your thing that way. All right, so let's get into rental cars on demand, delivered to your door. And that's what you'll be doing, delivering cars to people's doors, some of the major cities that they're working in right now. And if you do not see your city on this list as I go through this company, please believe I got 10 more companies I'm going to talk about today. So hit that like button, smash the subscribe button for me, guys. Get those likes up. Get the likes up, get the likes up. Got 17 people watching me so far, man. These likes helps me get out to a wider audience. Helps people just like you get to the money. So what I did, I started the sign up process, but I got so excited that I wanted to bring you guys this information first. So you come up here, come to become a driver partner. And then it goes to this screen, and you hit sign up now, become a delivery partner, earn more with flexible hours. They've been featured in top tech magazines, so this is a tech startup kind of. Earn more money, complete up to 12 trips a day, no car needed. Like I told you, this one is a no car needed, you know what I mean? And then plan your trips ahead, real simple, how to sign up, complete an application, attend onboarding session, and you are through there. But the time you guys been waiting for, what cities are they in? Come here, rent a car, work, earn money, trips. Must be 21 years or older, unfortunately. Working with most rental cars, they don't even like renting to people under 21, so that's understandable. You gotta have a driver's license, but you don't need a car. All you need is them L's. Weekends are the busiest, so you know, if you wanna work weekends, it's a good one for you. Name, and then here it's the drop down box, and it's actually showing up on the screen. How about that? So we got ATL, where I'm at. Of course, I'm gonna get signed up. Brooklyn, Boston, Chicago, Denver, LA, Manhattan, Portland, Philly, Seattle, and Washington. So we got some West Coast, we got some DC, nothing in Florida. Surprisingly, they don't have in Miami on here. But then, like I said, these gig apps are always expanding. I would actually see if you can like email them or phone call them, especially if you're in a major city like Miami, Orlando, where a lot of people need rental cars. You can be the pilot program. I've talked to certain apps, and I've gotten enrolled in a pilot program for a new city in Atlanta when they roll out. So talking to these companies, these are startups. These owners are real cool. If you got experience in doing delivery, doing this type of work, you can reach out to them and even possibly get a position in the company with a startup. You know what I mean? If you work your move, work your magic, work your mouthpiece, make some things happen. But yeah, that's that. I got signed up and went to this part. Here's a video.
Hi, my name is Ro, and I'm really excited that you're interested in joining Kyte as a surfer. So surfing is a really exciting new job. It's completely different from the traditional jobs where you would have to own your own vehicle. This will be a quick informational video about our company and about the job. A quick high-level overview, Kyte is a marketplace product where we deliver rental cars on demand. But what exactly does that mean? So a customer books a Kyte, you deliver it to their door, and when they're done, you pick it up and you bring it back to our lots. You could rent a...
Yeah, pretty much that simple. You pick up the car, deliver it to the owner's door. Now, that leaves a question. Once you deliver it to the owner's door, how do you get home? So now with the company called Driver, they do the same thing, and they give you a little fee, or they have a rider to come pick you up that's already organized, or they arrange a Uber Lyft for you, or they give you the money so you can get your own Uber. So I assume this company is the same way. Once you drop off the car, you got to get home, you got to get back to where you got to go. So they'll probably give you some money for that stuff. So you're an independent contractor. And so we go through this thing. Yeah, I got a valid driver's license. I'm 21. Yep, I got a smartphone, background check. So they will be doing a background check. I want to work a couple of days out the week and one on Saturday. I do Saturday mornings, Fridays, and Sunday mornings. And that's it. Oh, and then I got to sign some signatures and all that good stuff. I'm not going to do that on camera, but you guys get the idea. You know what I mean? Boss up. That's what it do. Let's go. All right. So now, Kyte, that's one app I'll show you guys. No car needed. Not in every area. So let's go ahead and get to some more of that in more areas. But I do want to bring this to you guys. Let me see if I can find this other. This is the other companion. RAVER. Here it is. Same way you kind of pick up vehicles, but this one does a lot more larger equipment. Instead of just doing small rental cars and vans, you may be doing, box trucks, large, Penske box trucks, U-Haul trucks, even down to small cars and things of that nature. So same deal, situation. Don't need a car, start driving. If you need a car, you can use them to get a car picked up, but go ahead and sign up for this one as well. All right, so we got 2 apps down so far. We got 18 people watching. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you're new here. I appreciate you. And yeah, that's what it do. All right, so let's go. We got 2 down so far. Those are 2 you do not need a car. Of course, the less equipment and less experience, less money you make, but the one spread up, keep everything moving. All right, so I just got a text from Kyte. After submitting my application, I gotta sign some stuff. So it looks like they're actively looking for people who just joined. Let's go ahead and do a recap before I go through the last 3 apps. We talked about Kyte. This app is very similar to Driver, where you pick up cars for rental car companies or pick up vehicles and transform them from one place to another. And then the company will pay you to, get back to your house or give you an Uber or have somebody pick you up and take you back home. So like I said, you don't need a vehicle for this app, but go ahead and download it, get signed up, and they are primarily in all the major cities, including ATL. And then we got